Ochiense, Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Lynette Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, Eke Nakige Kos, Kiamesa Yamangana Maya. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso. Eye Nensoko TV, Oboroso, Bumugusi.
Mwanchumurigaria Bwensoko TV, karibu sana naenda se ensemega ya kabere hase nkwana yaito ya bene obutuko bware rona nachika ukuriera eirantu bwata bange tugochiko sanga hase ekerengagia serikali kuriya gutwara amaroro yogukinia ense ya Kenya hase birengo byechinse kiri kiegendreti bose kigendrete gokoria buya hase ensemo ya uchumi ensemo yoborai na ensemo yokubaisanikia abananchi baba somora bwense ya Kenya William Ruto hata birekerenga kiae no kubeka ensemo chi trillion chibesa chi trillion isano kwenekia habuna esabariga ya Singapore ngoikiranira se studio ninde nabagani bane Horace wako na chika gukomanya lero tenete hamangana research ase obisio mojumbe nsemo ibunge ya Kitutu Chache South na boigo ntorenere Young Maranga uyore omamanyi bwa mangana iga age siasa na boigo omanyete emeroberio iga yesabariga yokoria goikirania ense yegendria senjiringe na bwatu na boigo omamanyi bokeigo kubwatekana na ria gendreta ase ensemo ya Singapore before magare na rento gendrete kumuganya kara chigukirana ase studio ena chiko nyara kobaka gosanganitio kogendria enkwana yaito butuko bwarero abageni bane karibu sana boirire buya nimete na sentunde ntangani mwikirende ase studio tigato chake naye Horace wako na bokumu kwani mugusino murigeria umwarigani ase enkwana yaito butuko bwarero. Happy New Year by the way. Turara na mkoyo.
Happy New Year. Tro mera na mwana muntu. Ejene Horace wako ngoro Kitutu Chache South Nyakwa ward. Na so ile maika Sensoko TV this is the first time naingia hapa hivi ndani. Nande tigatoshe yango totia bagusi take minus kere
mwanchumurigeria hoyo Horace wako tigatura tambuka nsemeria ya kabere nabo ogotomanyia nabo igoko musogori mugusino murigeria butuko bwarero
samareta ngoro ku Young Maranga na chengoro jinsa mochanya rwan masaba original home but we live in a scheme matutu settlement scheme. Yes.
Karibu sana. Nawe mwanchumurigeria namba ito yesimi na bega nsemo ye mitandao twasore live nabo gusanga na intweri bodi yago na gutumanya negatiari uratake to kwandro botuko bwaro. Tigatura chaka naye Horace irimo yoka sengencho na mange ko kwandra twabere to kuigwa amagana iga mange yogotaka goikirana Singapore abandi bateire kana niturogira gine tukura yetera Singapore ase chinkwana choko igorera ekerengererie ke kyomura ibwense gotaka gukinense ya Kenya sengencho Singapore batabanga no twarenge nabu some 60 years ago batirinde batutigirare. Is it a reality?
I guess is terike kemane garo kinge yabu ase nguri tanga ni ntoko nyara kwebwe kani ne country ende litanga ni tokone tokwe chabumba ndo abanyene bana Kenya eri ni ndo abantu baito tobekero lya abantu bandi kero nguri kwende country nga Singapore is not even a country. That's what I did my own research. It's a city. Ebwata abantu 6.1 million. Yet Kenya ebwata abantu 53 million. Bono, when you try to check about factors to consider about economic growth, you cannot consider you cannot use Singapore as a relevant example. Ebanta about 6.1 million, which is like capital city of Nairobi. Gobono bunobo soko bonene unanda kwane president yitira tumigete to refer to ati to kwenda ko like Singapore. We are our own. It's like nyoro nga obwate your own mother so bwatu musbati yo mukao omanya gotena ki ngante gete mukana be muna munyarebe turochi romuka kwirana na litangani bona bakenya ntwirana nite singenjo already you cannot go to tumeka whereby you find that you are doing the opposite of factors which are supposed to make us to progress like the other country. When you try to check about factors for industrialization in Singapore, first of all, there is political stability. stability, political stability, governance and stability. Whereby in Kenya here, we are going to focus about how to develop ourselves. On Sunday, we are going to talk thereby find that they are diverting our attention to focus about hatred, therefore avoiding what? Development. Ikobona mangana Singapore in it cliche. And then in Yendra before Trana morally, Singapore has a political narrative. Because Ruto Monyanento Maitena no monto since 2013 Alcatevereng akinto what digital versus analog so that he can sound fashionable to the voters. 2022 agateva hustlers versus what? Dynasties. Whereby no hustlers ya banyeno molikiri no cabinet oboli hustler no lio be kirorole kwende say cabinet they see nobody. Now there comes with Singapore, it has a cliche. Anyway, muchezo wumta, and then but mama ita na tamete wonsi na banya sa to sabere ruto nere yo sina konye.
Tikato cha sore marangayanga sichinkwa na chako na ichuko gorase ngenchomo ra ibwen sago tebanga neba Singapore kibwato mu baromo ke bwa bananchi in terms of numbers, population or size yenseria. Nabo agutumeka chinchira batumekete ko basi bale not necessarily ribatu arabanta abange bunensi yakanya ba chinchira umurayo batumekete wikirania amarorari nabo yensi yakanya gutumeka gandre
Clinton asante sana soko kumboli ya input ya on that and another got ayo Moscow to consider ko is that kero Moscow ta kwa na Singapore is not the literal meaning in ake in a city state yanke the country. Now how do we compare ourselves? I want to assure you today that Singapore is a success story. They could be small in terms of size, but in terms of institutions, show legacy, they are far much ahead. Far much ahead. Or mentioned you got their political stability, among structures of governance, zero tolerance to corruption, zero. Yani Singapore story to yona king again to sing chai gente king ke yungali ko entertain their day to day strict amangana narcotism amana drugs zero but go compromise so the model comes in koteya ba Kenya na ki we can go professional in this direction we can go corporate we can run this country in the corporate way to ziko minimize ebintu bidega naiga so what have Singapore done is to look back where they were and where they wanted to go. Also Cambodia, I've gone to Singapore 2019 and September I was there from 20th. I visited Singapore 1 week and 1 week I was in Kuala Lumpur. The intent here country Singapore is far much and I will give you a reason. Singapore go to make a NC a model country, a small country, but it beats bigger nations. I'll give you a good example. Singapore they manufacture. Okay, Singapore to buy mafuta. As a country to buy mafuta. But in the world, could treat, could manufacture, could process best fuel in the world. What am I saying? Bagutumie wa yabo ile wabugate. Bagora mafuta sunguru Dubai, Kuwait, Qatar. Banya Sibia, Banya Ross grade 1. Banya Lichinsi Chesiko. These are the things we can do. Iganka. Digere donate para to bugate. Kero Moscow Rutawata wana is starting infrastructure fund. It's something I support because without proper structures, then how do you move around the city? That's why I gave an order the other day Naki a Paroko Airport, which Westlands, a underpass, 3 overpass. Go beautified area. Go to Westlands. Westlands is a model city. Go to Upper Hill. I'll tell you like my brothers, Kenya is a beautiful country.
But Marangayang, we have this. Whatever Singapore, there's no loopholes also go to Chuma. They are using their own resources.
Thank you.
But in general, we can agree. Noro as a Kenya in terms as a corruption, political instability.
Yes.
How? Kenya go see loopholes in Singapore so that that dream.
That's why I come in now. Governance issue. When you're Singapore, they never 100%. anybody ogosoye bichara biaye ase nibo yomo Singapore agokorere jela agokore execution. So the law is clear. So I wish parliament enact stricter laws chiko garomo Kenya ogokorere gasi omwananchi aboe gukuna enibo. I want to be very honest. Kurugoroga alikero gutrimbo kanse teto tokaroro Ken o maene aene monitor gaki no manye ngikendete Mombasa ngikendete Nakuru ngikendete every corner. It will be a challenge. So my brothers, you are responding. We as Kenyans, we have to start changing our mindset. Gosika ebintu by'omwananchi. Even in our local counties. Ebintu by'omwananchi bisikire. Starting from Amalio. What levels of stocking are in Chinyagitari? Talking about saying Kisio, saying Nyamira.
Tocha Sorores, as you respond to that, inki kagarate totago seal rupul se chiga yang baranga bateba.
Segenjo in Kenya, serikali ya Ruto, they have made corruption to be the main factor of production. Yang marangote birenga nga parliament ebwene to koraki ebwene to make some laws. Na kyo make laws yet parliament is under nini ebwatire na Ruto era mwenyene. Umuntu nabako kwanza ndeke tutoche an example ekwende yaje tekunga nyota. Because I think if it's part of your subtopic, we can discuss it so that they can tell you inganaki intogo chiande inye nabo ruta control ebintegesa kweke, and we cannot go anywhere because majority of parliament members of parliament they are under what UDA na under bande bago from the opposition side. Na kibara those are the people who have failed. Kome krichi ko igobona Ruto isanda kondi na kyora abwato ona kyo mwibya kubwato mwiyo mwa
Igo to iseko goteneni obokurume ogana kobeko barayo buya.
Yeah, just like maybe I can just say that we have just to go to maybe USA way because in USA but I'm sorry to compare myself, my country to another country. That's bad manners, of course. Let me just apologize for myself. And to anything and what we are supposed to do is about to correct again to corruption, ignorance and poverty. Ebibita to bioka. Toko kole binte bioka kwa sababu na poverty toko rabantu babiketera inigali bago sewe miemia. Toko rabanda funzi be university bako ba hired to go and heko somewhere by 500 se miemia. Alafu ignorance to kwenye kora in terms of nini when you come to nini economic nini capital baka tosuke ko chimoto troji to gukora nini corruption and then we are just okay at least no to gusako chimoto yeah
tikatocha se yang marangana tora kwandrega because ase sabari engima murai kwensa bwate erobe ko kwandro tebirenga omweri oye neganeti bitoke ase chinkwana chae I don't know how true is that tebirenga esabari neganeti around 5 trillion.
Yes.
One of the ways ne okoni bago chiroka strategic assets,
yes,
which lease so that chibese chibe raised. Totebiango, is it the only solution asing encho mo Kenya kawaida nataka ase faida ya kumanyugwanga a company ya Safaricom totebe for example kwende ya Kenya pipeline with this and these assets bo maana kia wananchi kwa tenga chiko hena nu is it leasing or no the money raising ngo oversee the infrastructure fund ndero birianga kichiko bwa withdrawn na kichiko ba spend.
Yeah, I like how you cover maswali are very structured and I'm happy to try and answer the best way possible. Kera talk release chiwese shares for example just Safaricom through via let's say the infrastructure fund chiwese kera chachiro kantoki chigo develop the development of our country mochandoro mokenorole is the trust levels. And if when I look from what the May Parliament is trying to do, is trying to do public participation, whereas mwananchi na ki anyway no toko rusi toko unlock from Safaricom toko nyebeka gochiga etoko anyego kolibinte, because I can tell you for free changing the infrastructure requires a lot of money. Doing all this, opening the Westlands Mau Summit requires a lot of input. Now we have to look the alternative way of funding. That's why I come in now as an expert of resource mobilization. There's what we call external borrowing from outside, which now looks like the ceiling has been hit. Now come to internal, which way to rakore. ubati chombo seninye uchire bweti ogo kamengombo ne mabero kanye efficiency ne osokora release litoro limo likokonyora ora settle efficiency. What I'm saying, from when I look at Mangana Pipeline and Safaricom, these are shares serikali what in trust yo mwananchi naki yaya anyway na beko chokotokonya lakini wama kubuli swali digi yega kaichiwe sichibona cyo kubekwa wayansire yazana ki infrastructure fund bona ki infrastructure endero
ikiranje ngo
ikere ono I wish I might be incompetent to go advise serikali but I wish they could come in a structured way whatever na ki to enact this CEO for example infrastructure fund general managers and the manager overlooking on this infrastructure fund and infrastructure fund is not only coming from revenues from let's say Safaricom and Capital. I'm also looking at affordable housing. If Kenyans bahede chiyo machidi type chioni kaichiba shiriji gochi, I wish now that money then is put into infrastructure fund, then again it's managed in a proper way to unlock potential areas. That is my thinking.
Totalaja soka sengencho ngo wanjira toro tungu kore story igati yaba manyiba mangana igayo uchumi bate birenga the initial idea ningia but bate birenga the process yoko lease in terms of yoko watoka shares ichigo cha saba na inchimbaro bate birenga bidi itebe competitive they go to the open market so that they bid competitively eya renge yani okwela which it was fishy bono una kimwana sengencho the likes of umeshimiwa Okiharu Ndini Nyoro obeire so voka batebanga the process yarenge buya tebe so open igendo ngeri kebisete ime
nchenkoro raiga ntumie example kiro temo sene kianda tumie ingakiro watu bongo no nyomba. Trust levels is key, is a game changer. If you don't trust your spouse, then I don't think you're going to live in them. But when you trust each other, then there will be communication. I hope serikali will open up either more through public participation. As far as Mandera, Wajir, every corner. Saba Kenya naki ya yembuli ene ino kwenye listory lakini ekerenga tote kokora neke. Like now mbodi wasoire pale ya Westlands gochia Nakuru. I was there over the weekend. I can tell you narrow patches chiko bakle cleared from Nakuru coming up and going down. So that's the trust. If you say airport inkoros we pale gocha Westland mintu bya korake byanza korokana. Namba 3. Origereriga ki chinyomba cha affordable housing when they started talking about them because why I'm using affordable housing unyabere is a game changer in Singapore. Every citizen in Singapore I know which governor na kwani ingo compare Singapore wara kera yani kera togota bigori segete we can't be like them but we can borrow the best practice ba gokora ketobo manyi weekend like now in Singapore kero Singapore is entitled to one house per family. One maybe ga Kenya o yana wako ira mungino yache no those if they close such loopholes so that every mwananchi access na ndate biguna wantu afford housing na ki you only need put a 10% deposit echino wasa wakana for the next 20
as you respond to that na bogoto manya
atianda moboli likwende limolio
bodo manana
about this affordable housing ntenere cost a lot of confusion in Kenya njomo nyane kubuturunde tax affordable housing you kurokumetenga like during corona period whereby abantu bakabutoiru poll tax housing tax bindumne bina biruta irani bona again meaning is colonizing Kenyans currently inje minto ntora abalimu barobane my wife also is working ekenyore kegima abantu mbaro working class mbaro tokubutukwe tax nkopima nyanjwa enyombe agachira nyanjwa naboko barachira umwechire ngachire nando komanye process yo konyore nyombe yu nabura nyoro to nyora pi ukutari gotoibera rende nabo Singapore ya rest cost whereby find that they are stealing from us to make house and then we buy from them also again nakunde tonte abya sengenjana manyana Singapore
ndio manyana Singapore
wachire Singapore
manye wakaigo manye wakaigo is not nam they are not Singapore think of one of Singapore ntete bya bosiga
na kitoko nyole chinyumba chiri nyanjo
na ndembe very honest ile votole njana you are a researcher right I also do research to be very objective to the mosia manya so mine bule because number one the what the challenges just usi kero mondate to kwa gacha nkasobo bakebira mabindi bikorare bindi because ubone moko bokete endo kuyane go to boma yangu, go to the website, there is a bible, there is everything. Pay 10% of the house where you want it. Tenkoro mananeto the easy thing about it, you have your KRA pin, you have your ID. You can pick in nyumba in Mombasa, you can pick in Mbota gete tako nyocha tambe ntu jali bale masaba jabale masaba and na mayeto no charge into we are doing affordable housing na ngandiri kuba affordable. What I'm saying now going forward, okay, affordable housing on record ene tibito ndo jakunya konga ina naga on record umeshimiwa manduku na bwate project ya affordable housing. I wish the affordable housing will have Nyagitari, we'll have an ECD school, we have a canteen, we'll have a swimming pool entertainment. Na ndege ntokiyo kumye umando we senato ete pareli ya kiamo kama uchimate chandeta bantu uchibacho. Is launching it in the next 2 weeks. So the Singapore story is that it's for us to believe. Lakini no bali baba mbete yeso na wale kota banagi Tauting Thomas toro kiango toro la suba mbile
tu ya tus cosas.
Thank you so much.
Pero es bomba rengi wana kwa hivyo yako tanga so bomba yangu wanya ke kwaliki nyumba yako bodi
na chira gaye
ikato ko rega iga to ko rase ensemega entangani at the end of all this ntotagete political instability ntotagete good governance. Siasa chensi ya Kenya tuko chakanare yang maranga siasa chensi ya Kenya nchire so conducive elindo toikira ni safari ya
siasa ya kajere nganzu
na kiro abantu bako kwetia gasi bakeka
amana tikakora enganzu in terms of serikali yetu bosibole turu katiba yogochura so tetakobera njitime dia saberete lakini nche wono ndo pro government. Even to be serikali go support, I support because I'm government. What is government is you and me. No nyana ego onyo support system kurumwa onyomba abana ba support on what you are doing. You pushing your own agenda. Ego njengo basabanaki umosikeruto, let's give him a chance to support in for the bossing. Chiombe cha kwa gachirwa talebe ko chimenyo. Sometimes let's learn to trust. Ata bana kona chwale nyomba chiri bosini na njengo na chabale. Lakini moto tana chirichiba ese jirende ngoko nacho NHIF ngona chunde but I regret I will that back
tikatocha sore otomanyia hore sasa sobora yobe goro chiboro bunate bire trust okwegena nkororo nga
sasa serikali ya Ruto tenda yana kwanza ani on last Sunday to be honest in Kenya currently the political tolerance because now Ruto is perpetuating impunity nege kubagia ya Beyonce to an extent ndora muamini etiaga sigurutwe kanisa ime asaba na inchi baroro bagushiriki nga simply because there is an political opponent or kanisa mabu. That's political intolerance and which is dragging us behind in terms of development. Singapore yunto wika because now when we are lagging behind in terms of political stability nto gochororo again to kende ya kabiri nowadays okore magoso kidogo hivi ngo rage ndokia last week part 1 liba ko bua tu tegwa magosa ago buyego okubwata kwara mnyoku oyu naroko kweru oyu bosongo ni anu kuonchoka no so that obe mentally tortured nto currently by the way bari mukoro bumboyo because now those people are in pro government now bago feeling a king abarombale comfortable lakini ndobwa to go semelinga next year Ruto is going home so nja bono mete ngendo kwatana kekere kwato mochakano kibwatiki omoyalyo
tikato cha sore asokuru nkwane ago he mwali yang bangase nchongo wanchira zero nyara ko bangasoka kirai gonsi agendrete nkwane ago guchiase omugusi na bebo no mwana nchori otoriberetinga atwara go semelinga ebintongo babire buya ni sabari ga ngwika tole Singapore
igina tayo mugusi tuna abantu to wekorere gas ande to wetuma te to somya bana stoko nyara and I encourage our people where abana to vocational training centers. I'm a champion of TVETs. I can tell you sometimes nabako robo konguna abantu baitonka banji totote abo bwarimu. Tiga tawano bwarimu no mobe. Patoko nyono monto maybe akoto bwarimu in 2013, 2014. Padaganye teo sene serikali chakole kimulike. When you learn a skill ya 6 months, maybe in plumbing, electrical, masonry, carpentry, fabrication, that is welding, any skill ya rawa konye gente ke sini nitu lakini kwa your daily bread. Number ibere. Let's also try wetoma. Let's use our ICT hubs. Na tuono abana abakeba generation the Gen Z. Let's to encourage them by interacting with the let's encourage one thing. Let's encourage our Gen Z that all is not lost. They're online jobs. People do research. You're a researcher. You pay. You are given money. Like now, in the next 2 months, I'm going back to Thailand. It's because I did a small proposal on something. They tell you now, come and tell us more on this. Let them learn more on what they can learn. They can learn a language. They can do a German language. Like can also go to a website ya embassy ya German. But you have to know what basic German. So kujituma tu kidogo you learn a skill na kujituma kile kinda batawi. Otherwise oikaransenka ro bintoviche na kong. But the journey to Singapore is there, it's in your mind. Let's visualize it.
Mimono yang maranga na ndento chukuriga chinga kibono tosange ase obuagare ndoche amangana na moya kurwa sensemo ya gomwanchumuriria no tukwira mutumo kumutangania gwa senkwana yito ya beno butuko bwale rohore so wakare no tore neregaiga kurira tora sensemo ya kabere na bifon magare uyoro mubwatani we serikali iyo bamo kurwa sorongura gusiba gotebanga broad based mubwatani wikema ya ODM tuchiko gendrio enkwanega akwane kiabunanga ki emirobiro ya berege kwane ki wasorongura gusi na bwego siasa na kichiganite kwirobira gusubo chore banene umwaka wa 2027 Tosca.
Ege Nensoko TV Oboroso Bumugusi. Magega ya televishoni ya Nsoko wikasero yao kwa nyori ribaga ligi yaliyokuralia asegete sena mbeyemo imena isiko yeliroba liyagusi onye kubwa tukuralia bukonyulia ogukwa gose okubunchuria ubono na bukonyulia ribaga lyabene liyokuralia asegete senieke asoliguri liyakibusani tulikere gose twakere simigwitire namba yaito yobunchuria 0788666662. Mrna nabali bechinguru erikwe manyabo na wataka kuchitana nyechense Frida Kerubo, Innocent Onyango, Clinton Ondigi, Diana Ndemo, Ishmael Mogere, Linet Nyambane, Daniel Omwaga, eke nakige kos kiamesa yamangana majia. Tomo chako tengere merobere ito yogo semia na gukumanya yago korekana kira rituku nabariki baito be andrete chinga ki chance a sengencho yao eariganie a sobo tengari botari no mubwekano ubugima n'urugendo rubwa tamange amaya namabe Omusakito Linet Nyambane niga ng'aririe imena isiko ya Gusii na gusanga n'abayaeteire n'abakuyaetera.
Nchekera na igole twe unango tebiwa ndabona igole tukinde buya ngakina kinde buya ekera na chiro ikemia tasta ngachaka ngondifera po ngoira samagoro wale kamanya gutokanga na twaliro ona wachagete
aya nime yo muroberio bumwenori kiraritukure Jumatano chinsabiri chabutuko imeya Nsoko TV oboroso bumuguse eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumuguse eye ne Nsoko TV oboroso bumuguse.
Mwanjo murigeria karibu sana sensemo ya kabere nkwana negendera tobotuko bwarero hase twasangira manga ase esabari yensi ya Kenya kuriya guika nebirango byensemeria ya Singapore Horace gwako notore nerega iga nabona sensemo ya yokoboko gukorio twanyara koba tugusanga nere Bifon Magare uyu nakumanyire monogari webunge ya basaro nguru Afrika mocha mubwatani wikiama kya ODM totebe serikali abo mukuru wa Sorongoro Gusii naboigo ureneganga yokuri kergo kibujumbe semo ibunge ya Kitutu Masaba hakuba taringe gaiga tigamweri baga anyara ko baka gutosogeria rinda toso ase mkwana ito Bifon Magare karibu sana.
Asante sana.
Pora se okonyoro wake kurinde gwikirandire.
Wano Nairobi wata mangana mangi kinashukuru twikire. Inche nkoro ko Bifon Magare ase yo turigeretia sinza chabona. Nkoro ase bunge ya Kitutu Masaba koro ase county Nyamira. No ndase abamo barai bali ba wikiama kya ODM. To kolemera mu serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Unatoa iwane ta somuro bwo broad based. Yes.
Aguno to chakera asingencho twasangira mange kerotare ngorro ase sabari ga yokogenda Singapore. Egatie meroberio heria bwente kuikiraniwa ne okwane kyabuna abana inchi ngosiro bare hanne mono omubaro monene uyuri bwa basae twatwale to meroberio onyota uyo onegeti kwase county ya Kisii olete ochirente tamo chi county sato Migori Nyamira na Kisii mugavana rati na kwane tamange negatia bagavana bamwabo no muraibwense kurwa Sorongoro Gusii muroberio gonyota ngakio sirra basae so far
abasae barenge alia segeti kya Gusii stadium kurwa sense nyoto tuchakere Gusii Kisii na Nyamira chi county chaitobere to bata basae meronge 5 na babere ase kere ward bachite ase muroberio ulia kieto bata basae 70 county Nyamira bata chi ward meronge bere kabona abantu ward ya Kisii ebwata abantu 1000 abantu ebwata ward 45 igo abuna abantu banyatuko bagocha alia segeti kya Gusii stadium bali barenge beneficiaries by process ya nyota eriwere fund ekobarana na World Bank ene project ya ekogenderelie project obate koruku Kenya Youth Enterprise Fund bado yalinge project ya World Bank ya chagetenga ki yomosike Uhuru Kenyatta lengo office ikaro yaerete bona litwa chagete process koruku nyota iyo project ekobarana by the national government lakini funds 5 billion shillings chirwete ase bengiana na yense koruku World Bank iyo kuchkwanda semia ke 5 korugono iko netuka ngatali musikero to rabo bisinga kiyo osenere rabo bade fund iyo yo chugocha na bakonyora keroro lindera nyegenda likuru abo chimuto asabona iga abasaye bagusi bali banyora beselia konyo bachire training ya matukane igo maite beseli kwa kulingana ne proposal ko likeka kwa application igo I hope unaba ligerete kera baba ndo shilingi 25,000 lakini bakagu shilingi 22,000 chiribusa to chikabutoro chikagenda se NSSF aso kwegeria abantu abake bachaka magana yo save osikoga chebese yabo elinde bago chikoba bagotu etoke ngamba bwate ebese bago chira se obogotu bwabo
onda tutaracha se gwako initially cha wente ko ba
50,000 na chibese yonse wente konyora but ene fesi entangani aso muntu kuchake biashara kulingana na masomo baetu kera nanyo tari baganga itira as a training center siberi satu chausi nkaligirelia go senkaigwa nkategera muna bale ko kwa masomo kiro muntu bana gite proposal go kwa kuchibesa wacha kare capital process intangani go sukananda se process ya kabe kwa mento besende linde kwa genda maybe comment stock osiko ndiri biashara byao igende face intangani na ndi chibesa kiro muntu akonyora se simi hai face ya kabe na ndi machaba kuchibesa yabo kiro muntu chigo cha se simi hai ewa
Gasocha sore hores kwako nae otomanyie murobirio iga onyota aenga kikwa yo accessory nande no bata basanya basaye kwa sangi na ba konya kire
only tangani again tumbate concern yani as a Kenyan and muno mugusi abasaye ba prete nyota they are between 800,000 to 1 million Kenyans from the ward I come from as in Korunyakoe abantu abasaye ba prete abantu ba prete 2,000 because there are some people who are calling me they thought that nyote ya konyora chivesechi you have to be politically connected which is baby it was true all false but it's true what they been nakire true abasa ebanyolete bono bagotema mimi bono kurwa ngo iguna ki ngabasa ebanyolete 70 per ward lakini personally so MCA yanyatiko ward mheshimiwa Amos Mokaya na ali kangaki umosa among says 70 people banyolete beso aimukyo koboko iguru ase between ase warrior nobody no ntinya kwa senkuru to be honest unless to be proved wrong nchetimeti bese jinga kingo yetu alafu na kitu ngine ya pili my brother Tebirenga about 3,000 chibesage tero chiba bwana toka 50,000 bakabuturu otaje tugo tueresa ngaki ngaki kiechi echinu bawo chibakoraki bawo chakwa
hata wa face tunero
face tundire limbono litu ngakie unabona trochi ngakie unairete yo to meaning it chibes eroni tutogo chiwakana nero chikuto igutumika bune political weapon abira base ko wakano mutinyo cyo saba lichikura chikuchiwaka rasinge to lure these youths to vote for incompetent regime 3,000 ye chibagateba about NSSIF NSSIF no mente ne chibes chiao kerori kiregasi chigo chego kerkuwa rutayire na chigo koraki na liyo kwe ngento na retirement benefit how long they will be given 3,000 ni kichego chigo konyo monto yo retirement chabo nchire chikarororo because most youths they are being confused ikento kende kia katatu a president wasted a lot of resources wetana na kutumika 20 million koroita all the some counties nga na chire gusi na chire ali kwena na 20 million kwena naki nyota oiko ale abana sai bai kuchibese na mpesa what about 20 million yende to make no nyeko kole kwenda ko construct a vocational training or sebe kino nyesa some equipment in a vocational training college abasa abakonyeke alafu na kendo mpesa mpesa you can operate from anywhere in Kenya in the Republic of Kenya it's really so nini immoral ngogenda baka kisi town o address ya bantu na ndo maiko bachibes through mpesa each that's so immoral and the misusing of public resources kumalizia chibese cha nyota that's our money because in chibese cha donation from the World Bank chibese there was no public participation which was to be convince abantu there was no public participation to be honest because you were abantu abangi mbale meti nyota ninki no divination ya nyota na rota meti nyota ninki it was an ambush and most people they were not aware that's why no gende binyoro mali erako igunyota and have the criteria for being given the money there are some people who weaponize that thing au akresimi okobwata okoteina ki nga ayengo support your monto you also broad based nga ngeli etano meto monto yo mamwenyota that's what they use because of all abantu obekere ninki wenyo to yatanyorete there is nobody can give you that genuine answer out ebanje na to singe njomo etinyarebe and then that's bad we cannot progress as a country
tetocha sore tutaraska bosura iranirie singe ncho hakizonyo chabichinge gote banga chiriwe chisato chia savings na kichiko chikomokonya chiko soena senga chikomokonya mosae number 2 public participation ya ngoro alafu ndio nyakobwata timelines nabo uko mugusi phase 2 ndiye goje
nambe yamo maite kere ntu no mugusi go sibona wa Kenya ntu narago pinga kire gento 1 tingam chakre issue public participation World Bank tebwati reason kera World Bank ne yaba tari Kenya gutoka yarure chibese for every proposal kulika any moment because the proposal yali gitone serikali ya Kenya 30% of the total cost eko under what we call administrative costs. Wonde gansa kulike proposal yoko teba nimbate project yoko linda abana bale chintakana 30% yechibese nko receive kurwa sabasongo is an amount I should use as okora administrative costs che also operation costs che project ile nongwa kana rent koru nongwa kana estima koru nongwa kana match koru onye kipate gali nongwa beka mafuta koru. The head of state oyo koraense ntobwate department ere involved na mangane basai ere department ya youth abantu baito especially mu busi ntobwate busireri a project ya nyote kare ya chagete abantu abange including babo hores were the first people banye pingite ekaro ya beire naende bakumire naki ngaki yakoreteka ba public participation na nekaro process chiko chaka nyota konyora just like hustler fund because women fund is a process yoko tumike simya ayo manyene uno musai obate star 254 obwatia machiko elieta lia okaki namba weke bande ngaki nkiota ketokora chipesage orwe proposal yao evaluation yakoro using AI a system erosiri very automatic itabwati okumanya muntu usitabwati ayemulengo kiko support abasa abange bali ba benefited does not mean lazima o support serikali ma qualify aso konyora ebese anyota. I know a number of young people balenge Kisi town osirero balenge bogere batari support serikali the same team ya bore scenario ya tebete abasa ba ko receive chibese basoke para batare president one time the same team toja se issue yogo teba samangana NSSF teto konya hore simotevi NSSF is not a fund ekurugujia sabantu balikire boka ntobata to call voluntary contribution at any age yobo mabwao no bo monto regional sector just like totebe amangana no sha tai lazima obengo no employed o mai kona che premium ya insurance karo kora savings na NSSF ene scheme ya serikali yani ukubeka chipesa yao at some point in life chikokonye abantu abachire training baigerigu ngakiba ku save chibese ngakiba kutumika chibese chibayetu kulingana ne proposal montali kito umuntu olikire ngo chakale process yuko tukachingoko umuntu yesa kwa 50 na no umuntu konye utabwadira ne shilingi sano it is very possible chibese chimu kichionsi ali gosako agore simi 1040 chiri boko chiko tigana nchiko korangoko na ande chiko vaccine na ande chikera chake so the best thing you do as umuntu gochako bwate problem kigara majority y'abantu bari konyora chibese cyanyota n'abantu batanyora tiri bagali gwetana form 4 n'abantu bari 12 ochamaega na rubu konya be biru as society umuntu ne besenyori bago chire university ochire Kenyatta University ochire University of Nairobi nera agenda apply we now have what we call Youth Enterprise Development Fund among many other funds chiroro chitikalete chigo konya abantu baitane ti kumenebero chigoro ase on the same note ndobwata ase process ya nyota ndobwata abantu bako certification epoto yego tunainde moisonde actually after the president erete kusi epoto nandika yigoro abantu bako what we call on job umuntu what on job experience also umuntu what recognition to prior yani nkwegere to bufundi wogo sona chianga lakini yaega sense tongu nkwanya konyora muntu kwa certificate yako tena ki igende kemunoke maete na bakere according to curriculum kiigo iwa face ya igoiru na no chorra abantu ba minto ba gutiga abantu ba isiko ba ko benefit bamaye kuira ne mitandao banze ko teba ki twatigere suku public participation ya koretwe yes
Yotoske hokoba yechinsa
tienda mugo ndabole mwana mte liswali limolio kasudatie mwana nchi todo tegerete to understand pia umwana mte gwatebire about abantu bale konyora ene kwende bese ya nyota mbali batarigeza form 4 ntwalenge town ntwale ngororo tukaligere link kendrete EBS still I'm insisting about 3,000 deduction ya 3,000 hapa 3,000 deduction NSF go to register there is someone I know tamaye tino NSF no registration ya serika yone EBS account kiaso na kitu kubole ngakyo boibi mbororo mete serikali ya broad based beef on my brother tegen tok ya tikere go ya tikere to ibere ne chumbi kuruchinge nini ke maene ana singe choko sa karo chino mbono mno wase ka singe ndu ubwate gil chenwe to gendera ra usukire anyway
gatos ko se tunyara ko bato kwanda singe choko ba yibirondo chengane iga ya nyota ni bwata mange ega ni gusangana kera singe choko siro kwa basae ntu igwana ngane gati yemerubiriru muraibu ensate bire irache gokonya ase sabari iga yoko genda Singapore nande nabange batebire nga abasae they are the majority wo kwene kenga kerobora iboganda tokorosi wana mono the coming 2027 na bako chiko vote in majority gato so ase siasa bono to chakera sore ntu ate banga political instability gabano to focus siasa orgongo ruagusi ya sama tukawango iga tuarere two factions kia the muscles mugavana we county ya Kisii the ODM deputy party leader ngopurare crowds mheshimiwa Matiang'i ngopurare crowds which way kwara alikire sana sense moyo mitandao batende twakanya rero gaiga which way
gusi gote Matiang'i ga nyote ya Matiang'i ogwakira machoro mwana mintu kubisa rambosa na sawa governor Simbanto musigete nero tema temire has tried to gamble politically succeeding all the way from Dagoretti lakini asegusi obere governor lakini moninga ki yabona iga mende you cannot outshine abantu mbale ndire we kaba gusimba bwate nature yabo naninga kingo ikere batena kimina tutu batebete nyacha yababwate mbia bake yero nabona yabate bire bonga mbia bake terororo from what because Matiang'i ngo bwale chikuru lizwali nendura twale kirinto nyomboli
na kingo boya sengencho how is it trust sengencho kero mheshimiwa Matiang'i arikorari iganga yaye mo governor ati negatia bara ikurugusi bari ba mweto koboko he was good then but think ayekera gatige kera amukora akora magendro kwanza na serikali korengana nera arakama
wara moyo no musani oe people this no musani Simba no jena alengo musani onenje currently and sawa is not my enemy but currently because we don't subscribe to the same political ideologies enje tali musani one politically lakini socially because human beings are social being na puto komera ntokuwa ninjira then biyoro Simba mbiyole umwana ni sawa nanje naenda kuchimoina lakini bona ya currently chetiringo support Simbarati to be honest because amugusi into bwate ewevu yomugusi asale and in politics bagoteba ngake basonge bagotenga tribe is more important than ideologies aitoko nyoro mugusi akwanda kuchimoino ayo akagochimoino gasengenjo bigotena kingoteto gukama bono kamena kyo kama ewe ko kama because when you try to check about the outcome yo kama okuntorochi
zaracha se bifon ko support democracy
democratic lakini musikireta ngotena ki tigera support ko chiel lakini ntiga support umuntu au support kuchimoina abo nyeka support Ruto nintuto ko support Matiang'i lakini into democracy tesiku asengenjo nduri kumwakira kura muna Simbarati
Tikato cha se bifo nayo to manye asengencho chi kwana cha berenga imirobero kavana bereka gotwara me
ODM bifo ota yemo chumbo ko boli chikora kitumba sawa tikato nyire kora akini kara iraniria
tikato ngo tikato se me asengencho chinkumanchira ro na ore sia te berenga orongo rwa gusirwa soira se wanjirana no okobori okeroge kibore wensa se Matiang'i chinkumanchira oranga imirobero ya bera siboni gayene kire umubaro w'abanta bange no bomaene batirenda bange mbali bagusi bumaine kibarabo abanga batanga abange they are ferried bagwakano batendi mikutano
Clinton omaite karo kurigereri tuchakere point ore cia kwana ya 2002 abaketwale batrende history nero na nerikire muskete late nyachae karalinge ko abwatenia osendo to yokoboli chikora cha 2002 endeketangania korete arostie kiama kiomugusi akabeka kiro muntu obwatenia either yokora osio gotaka kora ubuya akabatene direction mugusi to kogenda nerei onoiga asegusi abara ibaito bonsi mo deputy party leader mo governor Simba ago korega sine kiama kia ODM omuske Matiang'i ale deputy party leader ya kiama ya koro Jubilee ODM ebwate roots korobogere Jubilee ebwate roots koru Kiambu
Mount Kenya
the mountain chitime chonsi bere onde tayo obwate right yo komogorronde kiagera kiro montago kolegasi ase interest yaye ekoriri rumono mugabano koro Simba twins no twalinge karmati ngero kuja kusi homecoming twins I was there Mugavana as our deputy party leader was there. A team ya Warriors were there. Twins not waringi. Ekardo gusuka kujimotu. Matiangi our very own son. No muntu tosigete Twins. Nchoma nyene. Yaro to kataria maskani ntuare gosoka koru Nairobi. Tobeke chigalia mafuta togenda gusigo karibisho mwana witu. Ekero kuligeri Clinton. Ensinyo ya gusi ase engaki entambe. Yaro de kande koba ensinyo ekobarune ensinyo opposition. Diggerly 2022. Horace yoyomo were among the people wale goto tebintu no mogusi tubwate sio musigisi ule jirani yetu. Horace yabo. Mitenye meke gukorwerio nande bahonjokira bato tebiri bono nando oyo mwa twakirete chikoro abero mobe nande twirana tokore gasi na bantoki ni timu ya mwina na into twatebirega omugusi ngwaka nale bango kuna muntu ni bwenzi kenyekimo esenge democracy asenge nje serikali umuntu obwato muyo ko bagenyama to wanza kumutiandana nguko ngentande nero bwate nyama nero bwato muyo na bagotama no muyo atamene nyama chipara chitu chagusi osokolira si constituency chiri chasoira bajumbe babo bakorire mirimo nense na bokorora matokyaro osokolira chi constituency bana senkuru na zore siakuru osagoeta na bokorore difference.
We are kissing town bana. We are just no matter forever say bana we are developed.
So osakoligereria omubaro bwa magendera sense nyagusi ase miaka ya 5 you can note a difference. Umusikama tengekera ngo waziri agatino nagusia agate abantu ba minto mo basakorwe serikali ikiagara sakana era koraki nere gwata magendera tukabwati una tebete what we are doing. Lero igo mo deputy party leader gwe kiama kya ODM musike simbarati oiro mugavano kisi asa koimoka atebe tuakorere sabari tuabwate tuanyora magendero tuate. For example unabono the president ya nchira netengali tukolia Jamhuri Day tarehe 12 umutinyo December eshareli gokoru chinsema chinde eichegusi stadium ikinge go chikorokia somo gusi etauni ngonyorere facelift esinge chichibese ngo bachire pampu ya se budget ya Jamhuri Day stadium eli ngonyorere revamp ebinte byonsi ne president go chokobitumeka gusona mo gusyo kobitumeka
ne banege tige chindega nkera ronko igorukere but the question is
yes
umishimiwa governor ne team ya broad based
yes
ne bwate ground gusi asenge njaba ntaba bwate babanze bakoba ferried bacha go cheer the crowds bacha go cheer the functions aba bwate problem yo yabantu cannot mobilize abantu eli weyemo patene town cannot mobilize abantu 2000 baikaranzase banywe chayo go sabasi be soda bakuwa na mangane mo gusi omo governor kisi ochakire sabali kuru 2018 boikaranza n'abantu bagusi kogamba na kubura ninga ngaimoroche direction tuno mugusi tokoraki tokogenda into we've challenged a team yabo asore siare player to ababoliriga if you feel mubwate ground clear enough make time sabali bakama so stadium murangiria abantu ingane mubwate ko baramo mukuri ku mutandao monyetebe tikatoja sorores niki emobwete
karati gadabo ingabono yago teke tobwete arat matianya bwete arat because yago te team de na ko boli ya comment
yo dairenga mwarute irwe challenge why haven't you been doing the same mobilization ngimotago
toko ingobekera let me tell you one the thing in the piega biapi and itanga ndio yako kuwa na about mobilization jiba election nje juzi Nyamira so boyo kwanza Kerenyo Nyansiongo na Nyamaya oyese esimbo yako kuwa na obwatenge mumaite mobilization skills na jita gatuma abantu akachipotesti na roche baboyo nde babomora chabali Nyamaya bagochiko campaign against Matiangi candidate troche baage wetense muno mojo papironi ba wetense bubepi Abiyam kan nezi nambere ngalenge bifoni si wose number 4 wana ngitako tenge strategy na ki umugusiere ere sa muire no muire na Matiangi abwate no tamwebese munda bwate Matia egenda yo tenga king stadium ndre Matiangi ala kuru homecoming no simba manyanta tegete gochororo arocha bonto gwachira ibisite ga obisi yae because ya takarusu go obisi ya kerto kuru nyansion that's the truth of the matter bibe you
know the truth
na rengo stadium
you know the truth
simba rengo obisi yae mali ase county governor's office ali kupima nyenye bantu mbayo atebenyete abona koroba kuchire akabaya go soka ke mayete go kontitiri ngainere
Matrena no to abantu mbamuro cha somo kuta.
Abantu nalenge kurukeroka nothing. Nalenge kunyansio. Kota ajete kupima, unajua kupima weather kidogo, akarora kamusa akaba gusika abere bobe.
Iko ndo tebe the strategy yo mheshimiwa Matiang'i terasme Apple crowds
kuna kwanza hata che town Matiang'i hata che town kwanza gote ne stampede era. Matiang'i metari tamo brace kwanza meta babu ati kwenda nyota mwiso ndo ba nyota lenda yuko kama Ruto. Baka mobilize kuru Migori. Baka mobilize all the way from Nyamira. Baka mobilize na abantu balende batumira ki message from Kisii County. Ba to receive nyota baka turn up.
Yani whereas you expected abantu ba ko Migori ba chana magoro.
Bono mogo tumeka banda bako tena kinga matikita kwa tikira on Kisii Town. Tikana abantu to mobilize aba kusibo kabona stadium yoro mne kuichura.
Tikatos kabo sia sengenjo yebiro ase obwango tonyar ko ba to kwandra tuchake na bifon tutaracha se Horace. Ikiama ODM in the last few days kiangera watabanga wanataka nusu mkate. Timedigo se ko igure ngane hiyo. Tuirendre nanda se siasa chiri broad based yale gotema ko ruari ase njono buri ruari ngoronga ni viongozi wanagawana. Tuigwe nando ODM bangere gotabanga wanataka nusu. Bono nande how is this?
Clinton, the initial formation ye kiama world over nsengi mpaka America mpaka Kirase mpaka Singapore. Erizo ni byama bikorosigu no kuira power. No konyole biru. ODM was formed kuira power. Yanyali kandenge sabali yo kuira power. Tiranyali kana using the process konya bagotumeka. Ya togirena anytime chikora chikoera. Abantu bagenda manamano. It has been a script yerole rukuru 2007. We've now come of age. That thing about is na barabu tekabarazo apara. Waiwe kerikonya kerororo because nonya Jubilee as always bali ndarama ya sore o resign ku ODM kuna member e party ya Jubilee na nere ya beta formed ko hira power e kanyara power limo. That is why no ne chinguri chia yabone ke chia koreki chia kaire nationally. ODM as a party na intwendo enda tukwebanga ahead of 2027 just like Jubilee, just like UDA, just like DCP. Lakini bono partners tu anyolire as of now kurbono baka 2027 eto kolega si na UDA but wale partners as of now.
But one
number 2 essentially your democracy within a party. The Orange Democratic Movement bune kwa serikali yae kiro muntu na batali bagali yae dio gukwana bunaro jibwene takoba. That is why the reason bono ikatubwate session chikoro kulinda ground as to kumira delegates per region or per county. Kiro montarwa maoni yenga inunga kimoroje. To sabe 50%, to sabe 70%, kostoka enda tuchukuli kipawe 100%. Kusoma tengo kura tore season yeye toka enda 2027 next year. Kiro montanza kuebanga according to the plans sikora taki in place. So into as a party toka enda kuebanga koliki power in 2027. How we get there is a strategy into toka jete.
Iko bwana first on top as agenda no kura nyora power kwa.
We need to get power. That is why parties are formed.
Yaro toka thereafter.
Toko nyara kwambira bantu tabati power. Yaro toka na boigo anga ore stari kwa kyo bisa kolegas. Angare volunteer au kolegas ko tawo
ne bantu bashia. Abantu bashia.
Tikatoja Horace tunyara ko batoko kwana so banga sengencho ko ba yebiro watere no Jubilee. Ase obisio kokora umujumba kokore mere mutima itibo so resign there kurwa ODM.
Tuamo tayari resign ba to enda by election.
Ase okoiroberi okoiga ne kiama ya Jubilee. United Opposition na inu mwatebire
ko United Opposition. Kuna United Alternative Government 2027.
United Opposition ega change ko chi.
United Alternative Government.
Either way, the point is no opposition. But so united
so united.
Ahead of 2027.
Yeah, they're so united. I think ngwaro cyo mukotano lenge moisonde oyoko setaba antu bosa baka bona ninde sure no school yabo bifon esukali atirete katanga na roiko ba kumetinga ki na kiamanga na bere Mount Kenya salikire gaiga.
Nge presidential candidate.
President Matiang'i.
By one hand
Matiang'i ngoro chimna ko introduce dense ka kama jimu mutenge chumulimo kama chikonyegera.
Mogo chikoma kwanya.
Na bachiko negotiate but inje candidate mete wone Matiang'i. His Excellency Fred Okengo Matiang'i. Na ne tubuate no tonli aba Kenya aba game. No numugusi no amanyingari.
Mwanchu murigeria na mange kurende asugukora tikangi chasore before na ngote no na ekero kebo jumbe otanyora tie ticket ya ODM
ngakina gatenyore ticket
hypothetically
yani tinda korengera likotanyora ticket ya ODM ekyagera ticket umuntu aitwe ticket ya ODM just like team ya Bores naro nyitigirense otebere tiri komakonyo ujire Jubilee so tokanye tonye gakore mari zaini togende by election no mwaka oyo ndundore ready so nchengo korega sine kiama kya ODM it is strictly go to korega as of now until 2027 no to run a broad based government yes
no mujumba ko korega si na renko soare Jubilee
into se tole se matiangi ODM one ODM bajira seruto we don't subscribe to the ideologies charu
nerega so Jubilee ko
nkibatari kuresign ribona
nkibakuri ngori sign ri ara we bali baso ira simba kuri sign bakuru ODM banda UDA bara
erengo so are Jubilee
bona into ticket ya matiangi ara Jubilee no tole no ari
ticket inare shwanko wale
bwana you cannot offend the master bwana dakiora tuje founder bwana anyway because we are a democratic country kana ndo basa kuitaba ndo moyo buna babo choke wala kubona baro kuru Jubilee lakini tiaba nomination toroje tiaba nomination lakini siasa ile kanisa na butoko compare notes later
ndio mono tigato nyara ko batokora 30 seconds kwa nago yo mweri asumurigere no mugusi asogoshike nkwani to kubara
abagusi ando sese mwabeta igen tubutambe tukurari na mbe mu abantu baitu barabwata chikura irrespective of oburengo kana no legacy abasaba ke especially Gen Z abantu babwata chikura abantu babonete ibande bakaire bibanda asabairete abandi bakaira bogere abandi bakaira siasa barakora emirimo abantu baira ni chikura na babwata ibande number 1 number 2 chikule chigo chali tukirimana ne chera to basa kwaitana na no musanyo use muntu omino singe siasa will come and go number 3 abara ya bonsi n'abana bayino mo basa ko irondekiara mo basabire na musabe bakore mirmamo na baungane twensi na mutokonya go sabaigo kiagara at the end of the day twensi no mogusi na and we need say to na develop ikine ilinde na tutogendera to compete ne chinsi nyachinde tobe komorembe na abantu baitu bakeyo kora manaso mutandao unaturana hores we differ ideologically but at the end of the day itukondio turatumane we will be friends na bango kwa mama tento mere shilingi 100 ndine piki and life continues abantu baitu mbaba sawetana especially young people tolende chimeme cheito liende ntoetane singe cha siasa will come and go it's a one day event chikura chiwako the following day you go back to your problems iko tolendo bosani tolende no way waita siasa.
Thank you so much before tikato cha sorores na enkwana mwere
njengo teyo mugusio minta sabeta litanga ni register buno mwake kura singe nyito bwato mwana mindoko runga Fred Okengo Matiang'i tenina so president chirate yarete nye kura nto register select numbers nekesa kukende ibisa kubinde bisiko bitobwatesi negendo kende ya kabero mugusio minto mungainwa abantu bachire gusi baletire bese ngo kamabara abandi lakini mungainu mustand farm so that turusi Matiang'i minto bosoko abantu baitu bakitujaje south nyakwe andekise county at large tenya saba siseni na ndaba obo moyo baka 2027 asante
Mwanchu murigeria naye togote bambia mono ase ogusangana inte kurutoga chagete wika chinga kechiga horisu wako mbia mono ase chinga kichago na bego before magare nere maranga yang hoitwa sanga nere abu ritangania asiri bagaria ya Brian Chaka oyorenge maga yechi kamera Felistas Kabendi na Barnabas Sondari kule studio akabere baina kechibi chara morugingo chara senchirengia togote banga tikatoga ndrego kwanaiga komasemia Mwanchu murigeria na ndemono omugusia se bagote banga abuna mwate bile siasa terikubikwa senkoro asenge ncho abaiga komera na bale magega yetent banyara ko bagukwana nabasana chenkoro kwa Clinton ndigi nyasaye ka wanjanande tomera na sembe asante